When you search something on Google search app and try to open a link, you can see that unable to open link. In this video, I show you how to fix unable to open link problem in Google search. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, scroll down, find out Chrome, tap on it, tap on enable. Now tap on three dot, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset apps. If you don't use any Google Chrome browser, go to Play Store, search any browser like Firefox, install it. Now go to Google search app, search something, try to open. Now I hope that this method fixed unable to open link in Google problem.